Hi there. While I was doing some research in the last couple of days, I found something which blew my mind, and I immediately decided to make this video. So, before we begin, I want to say this from my heart. What you're about to hear might shake you a little in the next few minutes, especially if you're in sales right now. And I'm not sharing these facts to scare you at all. I'm sharing them because I care about your growth and your future. I've seen many talented sales professionals lose their jobs simply because they did not adapt in time. So, as you watch this, I want you to stay open, stay calm, and most importantly, share this video with your friends and colleagues in sales. Because even if it helps one person secure their career, this conversation will be worth it. Let's be honest, 2025 has been a bloodbath for the corporate world. Over 204 companies across IT, SaaS, and consulting have already laid off nearly 90,000 plus employees this year. And here is the scary part, those layoffs did not stop with developers or support teams, even sales teams. Yes, the people who bring in the revenue are now on the firing line. Companies like Microsoft, Meta, and several other SaaS unicorns have quietly downsized their sales divisions as a part of efficiency restructuring. And the outlook for 2026? Even worse. According to a resume.org survey of 1,000 business leaders, 6 out of 10 companies plan to conduct layoffs in 2026. And who's most at risk? Employees with high salaries but low adaptability and no AI related skills. If you're a sales professional in IT, consulting, or SaaS, this should terrify you because AI can already do about 60% of what most salespeople spend their day doing. Guess what? It can actually do it faster, cheaper, and with zero salary. Let's get brutally real for a second. AI is already prospecting leads through LinkedIn automation. It is personalizing emails using buyer intent data. It is writing follow ups in perfect tone, scheduling meetings, and even updating CRMs automatically. And companies are realizing something dangerous. They don't need 10 average salespeople anymore. They just need three elite ones, the ones who can think, influence, and close. Everyone else will be replaced by a software. And this shift is not coming soon, it's already here. If your job revolves around repetitive outreach, canned demos, or pushing products, AI is already learning to do it better than you. And the trend for 2026 is crystal clear, more layoffs, more automation, less tolerance for mediocrity. Think about this. For decades, salespeople were the last one to be cut in any industry. We used to say revenue generators are always safe. Not anymore. Today, companies are saying, why should I keep 15 lakh salesperson when an AI system can generate 5x the leads for rupees 2000 a month? This is not science fiction, it's boardroom reality. The top reason companies cite for layoffs in 2025 and 2026 is AI driven efficiency. That means we don't need as many humans to sell anymore. And the ones who will survive the storm are not the ones with fancy degrees or years of experience. It's the ones who evolve. So, what does evolution look like for sales professionals in IT, SaaS, and consulting? Here are three powerful skills that can make you AI proof. Number one, consultative thinking, selling like a strategist. The days of pitching a product are over. Top performers now act like business doctors. They diagnose problems, understand the client's goal, and position solutions that impact the revenue and cost. If you're in IT, it is about connecting your technology to the business outcome. If you're in SaaS, it's about mapping your product to measurable ROI. And if you're in consulting, it's about transforming conversations into trusted partnerships. Number two, human intelligence. It's called HIQ, the one skill AI cannot learn. AI can talk, but it cannot connect. It cannot feel the hesitation in a client's tone. It can't build trust or inspire belief, but you can. That's the real power skill. Reading emotion, building rapport, and creating emotional conviction. Because people don't buy from logic, they buy from trust. Third, systemic selling, using tools, not becoming one. Top salespeople don't fear AI, they leverage it. They use tools for efficiency but rely on strategy for persuasion. They blend automation with empathy, data with storytelling. That's what makes them unstoppable and irreplaceable. Let me be very honest with you. In 2025, companies did not fire underperformers. They actually replaced them quietly with automation tools. And the same will continue in 2026. If your sales style has not changed in the last 2 years, if your skill set is still built on cold calls, feature pitching, and email templates, you're already falling behind and your name might already be there in the next list. And the clock is ticking. You can either upgrade your skills now or watch AI take your seat in the next sales meeting. My intention is not to scare you. I'm saying this because I've trained thousands of sales professionals who felt the same fear and turned it into power. This is exactly why I built the Sales Gurukul, a platform to help professionals like you become the top 1% in the AI era. I've designed customized paths for individual contributors who want to master consultative selling, objection handling, and value articulation. Sales managers who need to lead, coach, and motivate teams to perform in a digital first world. Regional sales heads and C levels who want to scale predictable systems and drive exponential revenue growth. Every program focuses on the same mission to make you an irreplaceable asset in your company. Because when you can connect your sales effort directly to business outcomes, you stop being a resource and start being revenue. So, my friend, here is my invitation to you. If you're in sales, whether you're a fresher, SDR, a seasoned account executive, or a regional head, don't wait for your manager to tell you that the company is restructuring and you're being laid off. Book a free one-to-one guidance call with me. I will personally help you to identify the exact skill gaps holding you back, the right course for your stage of career, and a crystal clear roadmap to become a top 1% sales professional. No fluff, just clarity. Use the calendar link in the description or message me directly on the WhatsApp number given below. Let's secure your sales career before AI replaces it. Remember, AI can replace tasks, but it cannot replace trust. It can replace emails, but it cannot replace empathy. It can replace the scripts, but never the strategy. So, those who master these human skills will never be replaced. They will be the ones who will lead teams, shaping industries, and commanding respect. So, ask yourself, are you ready to evolve before it is too late? I am Bharat Ogirala, founder of the Sales Gurukul, India's premier skill training institute for sales. Let's make you irreplaceable. Click the link, let's talk, because your sales career depends on it. I'll speak to you soon.